Hello, my dear students of class 8. This is your computer class, and I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. Today, I am going to explain about the topic Adobe Photoshop CC. In previous class, I have explained about the syllabus of Photoshop that you have to learn in class 8. That is Introduction to Photoshop, Components of Photoshop, Versions of Photoshop, Features of Photoshop, and how to create a new file in Photoshop, how to start Photoshop, how to insert image, how to open, close and save Photoshop, and commonly used keyboard shortcuts of Photoshop, and various other tools like selection tool, cropping tool, and common painting tools. As you know, Photoshop is a photo editing software which is developed by Adobe System for Macintosh operating system and Windows operating system. Photoshop is a raster based image editor which has the capability of editing and composing raster image in multiple layers and supports features such as masking, alpha composing, image wrapping tool, fluid camera rotation, file display tool, and much more advanced tool and features. Today I am going to explain about the main components of Photoshop. Components of Photoshop means parts of Photoshop. These are menu bar. Menu bar is the most common and first component of any software. When you use any other software like Word, Excel or any other, all software have their own menus, and these options consist of many commands such as editing and composing like file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, windows, help and other basic command. Menu bar is displayed in the topmost of the Photoshop windows, that is blue in color most of the applications. Next one is option bar. Second one is options bar. It is a horizontal bar that run just under the menu bar in Photoshop. You can turn it on or off as per your requirement through the Windows menu. If you don't want to see it on the screen, you want to turn it on with the help of Windows options. You just click on Windows in menu bar, and then after click on options, and then after you can turn it on or off as per your requirement. The, the job of option bar is used to set the options of the tool you are about to use it. For example, if you want to make a rectangular marquee selection, then you can pick the rectangular marquee tools and then pick my options like feather anti-alias or fixed aspect ratio. It shows the preference of a specific tools. Tool palettes is present on the left side of your interface. It is a collection of icons that are used for creating and editing images, page elements, and your artwork. It is a group of tools used to edit and manipulate your image. Photoshop contains over 2 dozen of palettes that can be shown or hidden by using Windows menu and selecting the palettes as per your requirement. Next one is document window. It is an area where you can view and edit your images. It is the main working area where you can design your image. This window can be grouped as per the requirement of the designer, that is you. Next one and the last component is layer panel. Layer panel is the most used panel by all the editors. It is a panel where we can handle all the layer related tasks from adding and deleting layer in Photoshop. If you want to display the layer panel, either you can choose layers from Windows menu or simply press F7. The order of layers in the layer panel represent the order in the image. The top layer in the panel is the top layer is your image. This layer panel help the user to stack different items on your artwork on different layer to keep them organized and make editing more easy and fast. This video is all about the components of Photoshop. In the next video, I will explain you about the uses of Photoshop and how you can install Photoshop in your computers and their versions. So that's all for the today. Thank you very much.